Bitcoin, often heralded as the pioneer of the cryptocurrency revolution, has had a profound impact on the financial landscape since its inception. Launched in 2009 by the pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin has transitioned from a niche digital experiment to a globally recognized financial asset. Today, we delve into the history of Bitcoin, exploring its origins, milestones, and the controversies that have shaped its journey. The concept of digital currency was not new when Bitcoin was introduced. Previous attempts, such as DigiCash and eGold, had laid some groundwork but ultimately failed due to various reasons, including regulatory issues and security problems. In 2008, an unknown person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto published the Bitcoin white paper titled Bitcoin, a Peer-to-Peer Electronic Cash System. This white paper outlined a decentralized digital currency that would allow secure, direct transactions without the need for a trusted third party. In January 2009, Nakamoto released the first Bitcoin software, launching the network by mining the Genesis block, which contained a reward of 50 Bitcoins. Embedded in this block was the text, "The Times 03 Jan 2009 Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks," a reference to the financial crisis, and a nod to Bitcoin's intended purpose as an alternative to traditional banking systems. In the early days, Bitcoin was mostly used by a small community of enthusiasts and cryptographers. One of the first notable transactions was in May 2010, when a programmer named Laszlo Hanyecz paid 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 pizzas, an event now celebrated annually as Bitcoin Pizza Day. At that time, Bitcoin had little to no monetary value, and its primary use was as a proof of concept. As Bitcoin gained attention, several key developments occurred. In 2010, the first Bitcoin exchange, Mt. Gox, was established, allowing users to trade Bitcoins for traditional currencies. This marked the beginning of Bitcoin's journey into mainstream finance. However, Bitcoin also began to attract attention for its use in illegal activities, particularly on the darknet market Silk Road, which operated from 2011 to 2013 before being shut down by the FBI. Between 2013 and 2017, Bitcoin's price and popularity began a remarkable surge, fueled by increased media coverage and growing interest from investors. In April 2013, the price of a single Bitcoin surpassed $100 for the first time. Later that year, it reached an all-time high of over $1,000. This period also saw significant developments in the Bitcoin ecosystem, including the emergence of competing cryptocurrencies, often referred to as altcoins. Regulatory scrutiny increased as well. In 2013, the U.S. Treasury's Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, or FinCEN, issued guidelines stating that users of virtual currencies would be subject to the same regulations as traditional financial institutions. This move signaled the beginning of a complex relationship between Bitcoin and regulatory bodies worldwide. Bitcoin achieved mainstream recognition in 2017, with its price reaching nearly $20,000 in December. This meteoric rise was driven by a combination of factors, including speculation, increased institutional interest, and the proliferation of initial coin offerings, known as ICOs. However, the rapid ascent was followed by a significant crash, with Bitcoin's value plummeting to around $3,000 by early 2018. Despite the volatility, Bitcoin continued to gain acceptance. Major financial institutions, including Fidelity and Intercontinental Exchange, or ICE, began to explore cryptocurrency investments and services. Additionally, Bitcoin's underlying technology, blockchain, started to be adopted for various applications beyond digital currency. The COVID-19 pandemic and the resulting economic uncertainty accelerated Bitcoin's adoption as a store of value, often compared to digital gold. In 2021, Bitcoin reached new heights, surpassing $60,000 per coin. Major companies such as Tesla and Square announced significant Bitcoin investments, and El Salvador became the first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. However, Bitcoin's journey has not been without challenges. Environmental concerns about the energy consumption of Bitcoin mining, regulatory crackdowns in countries like China, and debates over the scalability and transaction speed of the Bitcoin network continue to shape its future.